Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to recover Instagram password if forgotten. It's pretty easy, so let's get into the video. If you have forgotten your Instagram password, head over to your browser and search for instagram.com. Suppose you have forgotten your password, and so as you forgot that, go to forgot password, and here you have to input your email or phone number or username with which you have opened your Instagram account. Once you do that, Instagram will send you an email to your mail number, email address, or will send a verification code to your phone number. And that's it. Then you can just change your password from there. And I hope this will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.